PETA, to the fur collectors, your clamp on fur is nothing but annoying. These are all real rabbits. Well, were, I mean to say. This one's died. I don't like faux fur all that much because it's hard to find faux fur that's good. I mean, I have a couple pieces of it and it's pretty good for faux fur. I mean, it's hard to find good faux fur. I mean, if it's hard to match the quality of fur that's coming straight off the animal, but the two pieces of faux fur that I have are actually really good. But see that? That's leather. There's nothing that matches the quality of the fur from a rabbit. But yeah, to all the people who collect real furs, your clamp on fur is nothing but annoying. I'll be making a pillowcase out of these soon. In fact, PETA, leave a comment on this video. Go ahead, I don't care, do it anyway. Seriously, actually, I really want you to leave a comment on this video. Do it. I think it was Shia LaBeouf who put it best. Do it! Just do it! Yeah, leave a comment on this video, PETA.